Okay. I went to buy tortilla time, and I'm really curious about this. That's why we are doing one hour again. I don't know. It seems I'm curious about why this happens. These values are look at these -2. That only means that only means that C turn Y, C turn X. This is correct. Maybe we got it right here. Mhm. Hmm. Where is 15, 13, 10, 12, 14, 9, 7, 6, 1, 5, 15, 15. Do you know who this lady is? From all the things that are here, this lady came. It quickly calls your attention. There are a lot of people here. Even I suppose if there are more drawings, more characters, this has a very strong something, you know. And maybe that happens with a person that you are into that person, that you are in love. There are millions of pictures in the world of people, but that person is always has something for you. It's oh my god. But this is a character anime. I don't know if this, but perhaps this happens you with human being. I hope you fall in love with a human being and not with a product, AI product in the future that they will be selling you this, and so you will fall in love with an AI product. That will be a sad day for humans, and maybe they will do it. So this is Genevieve, I suppose. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce this. Genevieve, Seymour. And look at her. They managed to depict her in a very good way because he is into knowledge seeking. She goes great strides for knowledge seeking. So I think that is reflected in this expression. I don't know, maybe the guy that or the person who came up with this drawing saw a lot of people in the past that were into knowledge seeking. How do they look? Maybe the activities that you engage, they are shaping your face. Somehow, I don't know. They are shaping your expressions. Maybe. I don't know. I am just talking nonsense again. Instead of focusing. What I want to say is that for me, this is a great depiction of the character. It reflects the description of the character that is provided in the game for this character, Cinema Seymour. Uh, she encodes the passion for knowledge to the limit, seeking knowledge to the going nuts because of the knowledge. This is Cinema Seymour. Amazing, very inspiring, very inspiring. Okay, now let's uh, maybe some human being and reflects for you some things that you were looking for or that you are into, and that person embodies with how she looks or he looks something. Then I am into this person. Hopefully, you are very respectful, and if that person does not want anything with you, then okay, that's it, and you leave that person alone. Here he goes. Here's the shit of the bed. But I'm looking for this the 15. I'm going to move that picture from that place. A little bit. I like that video game also. Maybe I will be tempted to play that video game. And come on now, I'm being unemployed. Playing video games is not a good idea. So we have this. We got it right. 450, 360. Look at this. These values, 450, 360. We got it because we have calculated. There is no formula in the formula. Where is this thing? Here. We have also this. So let's put an alarm of 10 minutes. No, that's not. Mm, oh my God, where are these things? Okay, 450, 360. Two again. I think we close this thing. Why is open again? So 450, 360. We got it right, AB. 450, 360. Okay, now we can move. It doesn't matter. Now we're saying placeholder X is B, which is this, minus mouse Y. But mouse, oh yeah, we have we have uh, we cannot locate at the 100 pixel right here. We can if we draw a rectangle uh, in here at point uh, I don't know, whatever this point is. Maybe we can draw it. So anyway, so mouse, well, it happened at 83. Here's mouse Y. For us, it was 100. For them, I mean for us in the web browser is 83. So it happened somewhere almost here, up here. Then we say placeholder X is this guy B minus 100. Minus placeholder x is equals to b, which is 360, here it is, minus 83, this is cool. So placeholder x is 270, which is here. So in our rotation, in our rotated strategy, 270, this 277 should be here because this is 300. So we're here now. We should locate uh, uh, the y, and the placeholder for y is minus 2. So if this is 0, this is the 0 line. So it is here. Our click happened here. So it is inside the draggable area. Mouse down event is taking place. Formula is perfect. We are going to be here 1 hour. We could be the entire day if we get rid of the other activities like playing the guitar. Well, what I am not doing, what I have been doing the past 2 days. Uh, so unfortunately, only 1 hour. In 3 hours of the guitar, then maybe 2 hours of algorithms, maybe 2 hours of mathematics, and mixed topics like algebra and others. And then we can get to sleep. And this is our life. And this is a good idea, taking a break and thinking about having 2 hours, taking a break and then come back with another hour. Like when people are giving concerts, they take 10 minutes break, maybe 5 minutes break. It's necessary, and you can have 3 hours, 3 hours in a row is overkill. You are burning your brain, and your brain will not produce. My I don't know about this research on the brain. So we have finally placeholder. Oh my God, where is this thing? Okay, well, look at this placeholder. Y is already minus 2. So this makes it. Oh, it's minus 2, but it's not greater than. But the number, so it's okay. It does not enter this condition. Almost there. 10. Placeholder X, which is this is true. This is true. It's greater than 0. Yes. placeholder x is less than 300. Why are these zero here? This has not, this is nothing. Oh, this is the drawing point. Yeah. Be careful with the magic numbers. Initially here, there was a starting point of the threaded edge. Thread edge. So, uh, this is greater than zero? Yes. The 277 is less than or equal than 300? Yes. Uh, minus 2, minus 2, greater than equal than minus 10? Yes. This is minus than minus 20. I mean 20. This is yes. So it should enter here. And then all of these will be true. It will be draggable, right? And then we clear the transformation for another set of. I wonder why the event does not take place. We are going to remove this to see the effect. So it is paused. Now we can step over. Now it should be here. It's draggable. So yeah, and this will be problematic. Uh, or is it? Let's do a run, dry run, and if the thing breaks, it should be draggable. Draggable? True. Should be draggable. Should be draggable. Yes. Should be draggable. Should be draggable. I'm sounding like people. I don't know. Should be not draggable. Oh my God. That was lovely. Not draggable. Not draggable. Not draggable. Not draggable. This is driving me crazy. Not draggable. Not draggable. 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 Drag and drop. Oh my God. Look at this. And the paint. This guy is not here. Look at this. Uh, it's not being painted anymore. Oh my God. Look at this. Have we solved the problem? Drag and drop and rotation. I don't know. Most likely not. We are going to implement the user interface. We are going to try two more angles, 45 degrees, blindly because we don't have any numbers for that. And this thing, uh, this will make it to amok. And we have taken good care of saving this file, so no one will interrupt the internet. Oh my God. And so we can lose our progress. So this is going to amok. We maybe stripe, you know, around the mug. Maybe in your pillow, and sleeping, supporting projective geometry. But we don't know if we have solved the problem. Uh, I cannot believe it. I don't think we have made it. We have this problem of this screen being an issue. Remember, this is mobile first. We haven't taken care of the mobile thing. No, Dragable, no, I don't like this because the users will be playing games with this. They will click here, believe me, they will do it. Let us look what the users will do. Oh, where is the thing? Oh, here it is iPhone. Here's the iPhone. Uh, 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 well, it doesn't matter. Oh, it is too far. Uh, what should we do first? New angles, try new angles, or go mobile. Uh, there is this song by who is this? Oh, this is the yeah. Oh, this is about public education in Mexico. They have a new one. Oh my God, I forgot about that search on the internet. I like education, and I always tend to look news related to education. They have a new one. And this is geometry, right? Uh, oh my God. So anyway, I was about to say mobile first. Should we, shall we, should we try new angles or go mobile first? And then we have this one. Going mobile. I used to play. Maybe I will give it a try again. Going mobile by default. This guy, Pete Dawson, is quite a guitar player. He knows his way on chords. He knows how to play chords and how to design chords, maybe, or build chords. I don't know how to say, how would you say that? The theory behind this. Uh, Beautiful chords that this guy come up. Uh, and not easy to play and in a strumming pattern like he does, because there are some strings that are not played. So you're tempted to do this. But the guy is always like this. So very great guitar player, Pete Townsend. Yeah, let's try more angles and let's face the truth. Uh, Maybe we got this wrong. Maybe it has been cool with us because of the 90 degrees. Well, now we are about to hit. the reality. This is amazing. And one thing that you should be aware is that if you click on the outside, this thing gets repainted and the rectangle. Take a look, take a look. Now, if you click inside the draggable area, that nothing happens. So we maybe should rely on that the user uh, uh, will always try to drag their strategy and will not mess. They will try to draw. The users are curious and they will try to draw without the strategy in place. We should, before then seeing this paint, we should put a modal dialog saying, you need to use the strategy. This is projective geometry. This is not freestyle notebook drawing. When they click here, before they see this thing, right away, hey, come on now. Use a strategy. Use a strategy. That we can do. That does not solve the problem. It hides the problem. Then maybe some expert on the event loop and the painting will say, hey, this gets fixed in this fashion. Look at this. I'm going to drag right from here. Oh my God, this is amazing. Well, now it's here. We have more problems. Look, the drag and drop works, but the repainting is becoming a pain now. So yeah, now let's try 45 degrees, which is a friendly angle of all the angles. Let's get rid of this in the event listener. We already have it. This is a global variable. We also need to refactor a lot of code in functions. Okay, it works. That only means that we can get rid of this too. We are doing this because we are procrastinating. We don't want to face the truth. We don't know. We don't want more crunching number crunching. But let's go and face our fate and try 45 degrees. Oh my God. No, 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 no. Someone says, look at that, look at what happens here. This is more obvious now. A lot of clicks going on. Someone will say, no, I will do that. Yes, people do this. People do things like this. This is not good. No bueno. At least it's not saying draggable. Now draggable time. Oh no! Oh my God! I was thinking we will have it. Draggable? No draggable. We need to take a look at what's going on. Where is the draggable area right now? I'm going to try this rectangle. Here. Okay, draggable. We have something here. Let's suppose that this thing got the like this. Remember, 45 for the user is here. I mean, in the viewport, in the system of coordinates uh, for the in the Canvas API, 45 degrees is here, not here. This is for the user. So let's click here. Nothing happened. Nothing happened inside the strategy. Okay, I know. This is 90 degrees. It's from here to here. It will be all this region. Lagable, 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 lagable. We need a universal formula. Maybe we can try 180 degrees. So for 90 degrees, we have the thing here, right? For 45 degrees, we are having this strategy here. Let's see if this is silly. The measuring is taking place on this. This is 90 degrees on this. You see? This is 90 degrees on this point. So what's going on is that we have here angle uh, okay, let's print this. It should be it's doing it for it. It's starting from here. You see? And the thread is seem to scale at some point. Seems to shrink. The scale, the thread that seems to shrink. So something is being calculated here. I don't think this is the case. This is silly. We can even print what we have here. Let's so it's calculated this region is not rotating 45 degrees. 45 degrees. 950. Oh no, we need more number than two. But this is correct. Um, let's try this. Okay, this is 180. Uh, it's always here for for 90 degrees it was here. Well, there were we were able to drag from here. So for 180 degrees, the thing is here and does not have some sort of this region. It's all above. For 45 degrees, we have the two regions. Let's use 15. Apparently should be here, but it can be here too. If the thing is moving from zero, look at this, uh, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 300, something like that. Again, it does not have some sort of negative region. Okay, the thing was, so it's always vertical. I need to take a look on what's happening. The good thing about this is that this is draggable, and we know this point. The rectangle, white rectangle is here. So we will be able to perform calculations on this. Uh, Again, we need to come with a universal thing. We know this point, exactly this point. But that is a task for tomorrow. We can go for 30 minutes. And now let's not. Let's do this tomorrow. I'm going to give it a try tomorrow with 3 hours. Um, or maybe not. Maybe playing the guitar. Well, now we have a good starting point. Mm, 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 mm. Uh, we don't need more drawings. Mm, mm. Oh my god. Oh, this thing will never hit. Oh my god, where is this thing? Let's suppose we get rid of this. Oh, that thing. Oh, maybe. Yeah, let's clean the mutation. Um, I don't know. No, I'm singing. That song is too good not to sing that. Not to sing it. That's why Rod Stewart. You wear it well. Okay, we have our calculations. So, and uh, okay, let's take a break, 10 minutes, and then come back for an hour, another hour. Yes, because this is so much. They have changed. Well, let's end at 4:30. Yes, you're right. Okay. Ya, voy a comprar pan. Voy a comprar pan. Voy a comprar pan. Okay, and let's be here for 10 more minutes. This is zero rotation. Okay, the thing on here, this is pi. This is zero. Okay, rod x. Okay, this is the term. Then rod x, rod y, minus. Okay, we found this point. Citron CY, which is here. Most likely tomorrow. And then we find minus 150, 0, which is this guy. This is rod x, rod y. Rod x, rod y. This is 0. Is this point. Then we translate to rod x, rod y. Now this is 0, 0. And we rotate 360. This will be 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. 360. We're here. Angle is 0. 360 degrees minus 0 is 360 degrees. So we have 360 degrees. We rotate from this like this. This is like we are here. 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 200 degrees. We are right here again. This is 0, 0, and this is the positive here. Then we draw the image, but we should be drawing any image. Okay, here we have 0. We don't draw any image. So here we have 0, 0 again, it is the positive, positive. Then we have mouse X, which the click was here, and the coordinates are correct. Then we say C turn, which is, oh, thank God it's here. So A is 300. It seems to work. And it's draggable. So we probably should click here. Then 300. So A is 300, which is true. B is this number, which is true. And then we say placeholder for X is 8, which is true. Okay, this is true. Okay, with this problem. 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 There's no problem. There's no problem. The problem is that it's late. And I am not spending any more minutes in this. Shall we? I don't regret having these points of view at the beginning. Remember the ants and the eagle with the fish. But that is valuable time for the development of a product. So imagine two people chit chatting, and a chit chat, and the social. Okay, it's okay. But yeah, tomorrow, because uh, there is no way for me to do the same with the guitar as the past 2 days. I have been doing 5 minutes of some exercises. It is something, and it adds in the time that accumulates, but it will, the results will arrive in months. And since even when I don't have a deadline, uh, still I want to really be honest with my commitment with the guitar. That's being a little bit of, I don't know how to even say it or call that thing of. And just in order not to play the guitar, let me have the guitar for 5 minutes. But if you are really in a tight schedule, I'm very tired. I have this series of videos of 1 minute of guitar. Believe me, you can do 1 minute with the guitar. And after the entire year, it will have accumulated like 6 hours, I suppose. Now, 60 minutes is 1 hour. 10 hours, 360. So if you are very careful with the practice of 1 minute of the guitar, in about a year you can have an exercise. You have mastered, you can master an exercise. 1 minute a day, but very consistent, not missing a day. You will be very effective with your practice, with the metronome, having a strategy. Okay, let's do one last thing and then leave because we're running out of time. Let's click this. This should be 300. This is 300, 450. This should be, let's try this. 450 and 200. Nothing because it's not draggable. Let's put another one here. Sorry, well, I'm not sorry. No need to refresh, but I don't want anything here. Just in case someone is saying, oh, this guy thinks he needs to refresh. No, I don't think that's. And we have again Saturn 150, 300. It's a little bit silly. Oh, mouse. Yeah, look at this. Mouse. Where is it? Okay. The coordinates are with, yeah, 150. 201. Yeah, very close. We can even, yeah. And then we do the loud. Oh my God, 100. This is A. Why this is A? Because of the rotation. So this is AB. We will need more drawings because well, that is calculating nines here. What we are targeting 450 is the same number. And here is the same number. So we are done for today. Even let's suppose we haven't achieved what we have achieved, the rotation of the 90 degrees. Let's suppose uh, this day ended it being a failure with no progress. I will not feel bad about it. Tomorrow I will come here again, be myself, be present in on the rink. You know, no, the rink. This is not a fight. But being again here, trying again with this. So let's try tomorrow, 3 hours. Uh, I'm satisfied because of the thing, the rotation. But let's suppose nothing happened. We have had days like that, the ones that I'm trying to explain to you. In the past, remember, we were totally lost, totally in the dark. No progress. everything seemed a mess, and I was thinking, oh my God, what I was thinking when I engaged on this project. We came and came and came and came, and look at us. So let's suppose tomorrow we achieve something. If we don't, it doesn't matter. We will be here on Friday too, as long as I'm alive. Thank you very much.